Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking where your backup will live. An external SSD, a NAS, or a cloud provider. Choose what you can access regularly. Once chosen, make sure there is at least 20% free space, otherwise the backup will fail. Enable disk access permissions and open your system backup tool now. Start an initial full backup immediately so you have a baseline copy. This first pass takes longest, but it simplifies later incremental backups and avoids missing files. Once the initial copy is running, refine what gets backed up and why. Select core folders, documents, desktop, pictures, and include app settings and browser profiles so restores feel complete. Configure schedule to match your risk, hourly for active work, daily for light users, and choose a retention policy to keep recent versions. Make sure encryption is enabled if using cloud or shared NAS, and enable compression or deduplication to save space. You finish by verifying the backup, compare file counts, and open 3 to 5 important files to confirm integrity. Once satisfied, enable the schedule and set your laptop and drive power options so backups run unattended. Make sure notifications are active for failures. If a restore is needed, rehearse one small restore to validate the process. If something goes wrong, check drive permissions, file system format, and available space first. Those 3 fixes resolve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.